Okay, hello YouTubers. Here we have an electric bike frame. This is a voilamart electric bike frame. So here we have our side covers. Then it's going to be pressed steel. Yeah, there you go, look. Steel with a black finish, not too exciting. They're pretty heavy. About 2mm thick. Not bad. Yeah. Frame itself. Ew, that polystyrene crap's going everywhere. So here's our frame. You can see here's the battery compartment. Absolute heaps of space in here for batteries or cider, whatever your preference. So you could pedal it and have this as your storage compartment for cider, which I don't really advise. Or you can put a battery in here. Oh, obviously the battery's a sensible option. Look at that for welding, holy crap. Nah, it's not the best. Looks like the guy needed to, you know, turn his wire speed down a little bit, but he's got a bit of an undercut in here as well. But damn, that's some hot settings. Maybe not hot enough because the wire speed was still stubborn a little. There's the swing arm with our integrated electric motor dropouts and some free plywood. It's got little screws this time, woohoo! There's actually screws here to clamp the motor ends so it doesn't turn in the frame, which is good. Obviously I'd recommend using torque arms as well, because we don't know what grade of steel this is. Not great, I wouldn't imagine. Some apprentice marks here and there. But hey ho. This is not mine, so I don't really want to scratch it. It has a stand holder. Look, that's what they... I saw something at work this week that made me laugh. It was a camera for something, and it was just like they'd made the most heavy duty holder for it, and this is kind of similar. I suppose it's got to take the weight of the bike, but damn, made out of laser cut, they're welded together pieces. So this is heavy, but if you want to put a lot of power through it, that's obviously what you want. Disc mount. The disc mount looks a bit more basic than some of them. It's not like slidable or adjustable or anything, it's just fixed. So that's something to bear in mind. Comes with a bottom bracket. No crank arms, but it comes with a bottom bracket. Okay, fair enough. Right, has a little things for your cables. Has some free spatter. And yeah, that's a swing arm. Oh, that's a side plate. So I thought that was a laptop. I just put that on. I didn't just put it on a laptop. We're good. Here is the seat assembly. With the narrow steel seat post. Oh, some apprentice marks on there though. And some fingerprints. I'm sure that was them, not me. Right. Oh, and here's the business end, or maybe not. So on the vector frame that I had, sorry about the camera work, there is no ball bearings or nothing. Just simply a hole. What is going to be in here? It's a brass bushing. Well, that's something. You know, a lot of old machinery used to use those, fill it full of grease, and at least have something there. Let's look at the swing arm itself again. Hang on. Swing arm, we just have a hole. Okay. Grease the hell out of that sucker then. Here's our controller box. We have accessories. I don't like accessories. It comes with a headset, which is cool. An eco headset. So I'm going to get a branded one. Might not be the best brand in the world, but hey, it's one I've heard of. We have an ignition, probably no key, because, you know, some sort of weird charge cable. Some screws, which are going to take forever to take the battery out, so we're going to make them into wing nuts. And we have some bolts for the seat. There's the headset, top cap. We get free spacers. Oh, we've got free spacers, lads. Look at that. Woohoo. Free crank bolts. Yes. No crank, but we got the bolts. Woohoo. Oh, and they're, you know, all integrated units, semi-integrated rather, but you know what I mean. The bearing's integrated into the headset itself, and it's greased. It's got grease in it. Woo! I'm amazed. So, yeah. Right, hang on a minute. I've got to just test something here. It's very important. Lay this back down. Oops. Shipping damage. how many of these do you reckon we're going to get in here then? Yeah, so we put a couple of lipos in there. The lipos can go over here. And this area can be used for carrying essential items in these times. No, that was a fail. Anyway, we can get rid of this, and you can put at least probably 8 Henry Westons in there, plus an actual battery for short runs to the shop to go get cider. Or, you know, even go to work even, but not that we drink at work or anything like that, of course. But you know what I mean. Maybe they do Christmas, I don't know. I know the last place seemed to. I think people were on it all the time, if I'm totally honest there. But hey-ho. So yeah, pretty cool frames, only available in white, made by Voldemort. Thanks, Voldemort. Yep, fantastic. That concludes this video. Obviously, this is not going to be the same quality as an actual like Stealth Bomber or HPC Orange or any of that stuff. But you know, it's a cheap frame. If you're just, you know, doing a DIY build, don't mind some little things to get over like that and stuff like that, and the extra weight. Then they're pretty reasonable. That concludes this video.